Hello everyone, this is Raphael Ndwiga and I am excited to announce that I am officially back on YouTube after a year-long hiatus. I've been working hard behind the scenes to create new content that I think you'll find helpful and informative. In particular, I'm focusing on creating videos that help you solve technical challenges. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, I'm confident that you'll find something useful in my upcoming videos. But here's the thing, I don't want to just create videos that I think are helpful. I want to create videos that you actually need. That's why I'm inviting you to share your questions and challenges in the comment sections of any video. I'll be reading every comment and using your feedback to create new tutorials that address your specific needs. So, if you're ready to start learning and growing with me, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you do not miss any of my new videos. And don't forget to leave a comment with your question and challenges. I can't wait to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.